Hello guys and welcome back to Naija news and entertainment. Expect wedding announcement from Bolar at the end of our process, Ultimate Love Arnold said. My participation in Ultimate Love and intervention, Bolanle said. Henry Arnold, Okunniyi and Bolanle Oluchi, Babalola were better known as Bolar in the recently concluded Ultimate Love reality dating show hosted by Multichoice. They were quite a popular couple and were quite a competition for other couples. ROTIMI IGE presents recent interaction with the duo. Enjoy. Tell us a bit about yourself and early memories growing up. I was born to a Nigerian father from Ogun State and a Sierra Leone mother who is from the Mande tribe. I am the last of 6 children. I grew up in Sierra Leone up until the war in 1996-1997, which brought me and my family to Nigeria. Growing up in a nuclear family was fun. We had everything we wanted, and as last born, you know the rest. Before the show, what have you been involved in? I joined the Sierra Leone Art and Cultural Agency (SACA) alongside some members of X project. That gave me a foundation in theatre, and so during my school days in the Obafemi Awolowo University, I became involved in the entertainment industry as an actor, stage television, in Tinsel, Casino, So Wrong, So Right, etc. And after graduating, I took series of master classes and correspondence courses later. I became a content creator, a writer, and a commercial model, Arnold said. Walk us through the audition, how and why did you enroll for the reality show? I got a call from a friend asking me if I would like to be a part of a reality show. At this time, I was done with all the stress involved in it. I had auditioned for Big Brother before, and after my school days, I came to Lagos for Ambo, but it wasn't successful. But this had a different narrative. I love adventure, and again, I was supposed to be part of a social experiment, so I decided to give it a try. It was a lovely idea to meet and know that special one in a controlled and an uncontrolled setting. How did you feel when you got the call that your auditions were successful? Arnold continued. I was happy and at the same time had mixed feelings about what it would be like. When you got into the house, what were your plans? Arnold said, I had no plans, but like I said, having no plan is a plan itself. When you were eventually paired, did you feel like you had found one? He said, I knew she was the one on seeing her, but this was going to be a process, and a real process. You and Roxy were constantly in eye of the storm, especially with Presh David. What did you feel went wrong? I and Temi, that's Bolar's pet name, were just the unfortunate one in the center of it all. I tried to know, but I guess they all had history before the show. Then Arnold became the only one standing. How is your relationship with Jakesh and Presh David now? Arnold responded, cordial. One thing I want everyone to know is that life in there is totally different from the one out here. We are all fine trying to hustle our way out of the corona threat. Who were your favorite love guests on the show and why? He said, Teresa, she's like a sister to me, pure in heart. Louis, business oriented, and we had some things in common. Obi is spiritual, I saw an elder brother in him. Kachi is an interesting character and we understand each other better. Chrisville is a business oriented. Which love guests will you keep in touch with now that the show is over? He said, anyone who is open for business. Okay? Should fans expect wedding bells from Bolar? At the end of our process, definitely yes. What lessons have you learned going into the love pad with Auntie? Patience, tolerance, humility, among others. Now that the show is over, what is next for each of you? Definitely trying to bond better and then develop content together as well as do businesses. How do you relax, play games, or go to cinema? Okay, that was a brief interview with Arnold. Now, let's talk about Bolanle. Bolanle said, "My participation in Ultimate Love was an intervention." Okay, Bolanle, talk about yourself. I was born on the 26th of June 1984 in Sokoto State. My mother hails from Abia State while my father is from Ondo. We moved around a lot and then to Lagos in 1993 where I continued my education. At some point, because it was a polygamous family, my house was like the famous family series called Fuji House of Commotion. Prior to Ultimate Love, after graduating with a Bachelor of Arts in Theatre Arts and a Diploma in Mass Communication from University of Abuja, I have been engaged in a couple of multimedia productions, TV, radio, social media, etc., where I contributed as an actress, presenter, production manager, assistant, coordinator, first assistant director, voiceover artist. Though an entrepreneur, I was actively engaged in humanitarian projects, community development and outreach, public health, master trainer and data collector. How and why did I enroll for the show? Well, let's say my friend didn't give me a choice. She called it the intervention. Mercy literally bullied me into going for the audition. I was just being myself during the process and enjoyed every bit. Making it from Abuja to Lagos and then getting selected to go into the house was quite surprising to me. I guess it was fate. What do you think? My plans going into the house. Bolanle said, I was excited and surprised. There was no plan, just an open heart that was optimistic about finding love. It was never a game for me because my reputation was on the line. How I felt first time meeting Arnold. Bolanle continued, no, never felt like I had found the one. Rather, it felt like, what have I gotten myself into? Is this really who I'm going to end up with? Well, let's see where God takes this to. So it was more like, give it a try, girl. You have nothing to lose. He is a friend already and an intelligent mind. If it's not working, go home. This part with Prince David. Bolanle said it was more like an unfortunate situation that I and Ifemi Arnold got caught up in. I and my partner suffered for something we had no clue where I went wrong until I had to ask her. Our relationship with J. Kesh. Our relationship with J. Kesh and Prince David is cordial. After the pandemic of coronavirus is over, I'm sure we might work on some projects together in the future. My favorite love guests. All the love guests were my favorite, but this one stood out for me. Jerry, Jennifer, Obi, Abi, Chris V, Rosie and Kachi. I'll keep in touch with all the love guests. We are friends. Now that I'm with Arnold, Bolanle continued. We are still dating, so keep your fingers crossed while we go through this process. You never know. What I learned in the love part. Patience, listening skills, humility and openness. Now that the show is over, she said, we are still together working on ourselves, individual brands and career in general. Lots of goodies coming out right after this virus is contained or eradicated. How I relax, Bolanle said, I chill with friends over some cool R&B music with drinks, ice cream or movies. We gist and laugh. Okay guys, this is the end of the short interactive section with your favorite ultimate love couple, Bolanle and Arnold. I'm sure you enjoyed it because it was interesting knowing deep secrets about them and what they've been up to after Auntie's love part. Stay tuned to Naija news and entertainment for more updates on your favorite love girls outside the love part. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a new story drops. Hello guys.